In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master email marketing for beginners with HubSpot. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, HubSpot offers a powerhouse of tools designed to elevate your email marketing game. Let's walk through this process step by step to get you comfortable with the platform. First things first, you'll need to open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the marketing section. Go ahead and click on that to dive deeper into our focus for the day. Under this section, you'll see email. This is the heart of your email marketing activities. It's where you can create, send, and track marketing emails designed to engage your audience effectively. HubSpot provides you with tools to design emails using either templates or a versatile drag-and-drop editor. Personalization is key in marketing, and with HubSpot, you can easily add personalized content, including calls to action, CTAs. Additionally, segmenting your audience becomes a breeze, allowing you to tailor campaigns to specific groups. Within the email interface, you'll notice three main areas: Manage, Analyze, and Health. The Manage section is your control center, where you can create, organize, and schedule your marketing emails. You have the ability to draft new campaigns or edit existing ones. This area also offers a comprehensive overview of all your campaigns, whether they're sent, scheduled, or still drafts. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and efficient. Next, we have the Analyze section. This is where you gain valuable insights into your email performance. You'll see metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, deliverability, and engagement rates. These insights are crucial in understanding the effectiveness of your strategies and identifying areas for improvement. Finally, there's the Health section. This monitors your email sending reputation and deliverability. You'll be informed about bounce rates, spam complaints, and unsubscribes. Here, HubSpot also offers recommendations to help you maintain a clean email list, which is essential for ensuring your messages actually reach your subscribers' inboxes. Now, let's get into creating an email. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the Create Email button. Clicking it will lead you through HubSpot's email creation process. This intuitive setup allows you to craft professional-looking emails with ease. I encourage you to take your time exploring all the features available to you. There's a lot to discover, and familiarizing yourself with these tools can really set your campaigns apart. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to mastering email marketing with HubSpot. Remember, practice is key to becoming proficient, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with what you've learned today. Happy marketing!